All right, ladies and gentlemen, scientists of the now, what did you experiment on and what did you test?
Okay, the thing that we changed in our experiment was alcohol. Like, we changed it from water to alcohol, and we had like 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20%, and 25% for each runs. And the thing that...
So what did you think it was going to do, Abiram?
Well, my hypothesis for my thing was like I thought the color density for the M&M would spread more. So that's what I was thinking. Achieve dissolution of the M&M.
And how did you measure density and how did you measure dissolution?
Well, we put like in our petri dishes, we put some rulers on top of the M&M, like for each test run. So that would measure the spreadness of the color.
And what about you?
Like, I measured, I had like a ruler above the petri dish, and then the dissolution of the M&M, like around the M&M, I measured the diameters of it, so it could have an authentic data.
Okay, and then what did you predict would occur, Bobby?
Well, I thought density would actually be lower instead of like going higher because I thought maybe
Density, what do you mean by
like
density?
the color spreadness of
So
the M&M
you think it would spread more or less?
would spread less. That was my prediction because like I thought if you put alcohol only in the M&M, then I thought the color spreadness would be higher, or more. But since you put it in water and you're mixing alcohol both, I thought it would be a little less.
Okay, and you? Why did you think that?
I thought that because when you put the normal M&M in water, it doesn't spread that much. But if you also mix it in alcohol, I thought maybe it wouldn't be too much or too less. It's not running the mean, but after I tested it, it was actually more.
Okay.
Okay, I predicted that alcohol could accelerate the dissolution of M&M, like by 10% for each 5% of alcohol, and because like in reality, I made a connection to biology. I don't really know why it makes it like this because I didn't really have the time to research on it. But I thought that like when we have a livers on our body, they're more affected by alcohol rather than water. So I thought that the M&Ms could also be acted out like livers as well. I thought that the M&Ms would dissolve faster if the alcohol's content percentage was higher.
Okay. All right. And what did you guys keep the same in your experiment? Try to keep it the same.
Well, I think one thing we tried to keep the same was probably alcohol. I mean, we didn't want to change that because that was our thing we were going to use.
Like we used the water, we used alcohol, and then we kept the color of the M&Ms the same, and we also kept the measurement tools the same, and we also kept the time of the stage.
And we also used a syringe. Also in our experiment, we used a beaker, which is about
What did you use the syringe for?
to take like the alcohol and put it in the water.
Oh, for measurement?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the volume of water?
We kept
I
it
think
as
that's
Or volume of liquid, let's say that.
like first for the control group we kept it to 100 milliliters, but like later we turned out like 5% of it is alcohol, but the other 95% is water, like compact, like combined. But it's also 20 to 100 milliliters.
Okay. So we're gonna stop you there.